Just mark them that we are going to study these 2 pages today, and now you don't need to see your books, just see my presentation. All of you just see my slides, don't look at the books now. The topic for today lesson is assorted multiples, right? In the previous lecture we also discussed multiples, but now we are going to discuss assorted multiples. Assorted means different, ठीक है? Assorted का मतलब होता है मुख्तलिफ, different, and multiples, as we already discussed, when we start counting at 0 and count in step of equal size, the numbers we say are called multiples of step size. राइट जब हम काउंटिंग 0 से स्टार्ट करते हैं और इक्वल स्टेप्स में हम काउंटिंग करते जाते हैं, ठीक है, तो जो नंबर्स आते हैं हम कहते हैं वो उस स्टेप साइज के मल्टीपल्स हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल we start with 3, and then we jump to 6, then 9, then 12, 15, 18, 21, 27, 30, like this. So these are the step sizes जिसमें हम 3 का गैप ले रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो ये सारे क्या कहलाएंगे कि ये 3 के मल्टीपल्स हैं, right? Similarly, if we take 5, then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so ये क्या कहलाएंगे, ये 5 के मल्टीपल्स हैं, because we are giving the gap of 5 between two numbers, right? So assorted means different and multiples this one. So with this concept we are going to solve exercise on page 18 and 19 of your textbooks, right? The first question is, write the first 5 multiples of 2, then 3, then 5, and then 10. Okay, I'm repeating again the question. Write the first 5 multiples of 2. पहले आपने 2 के 5 multiples लिखने हैं, पहले 5 multiples, right? Then you have to write first 5 multiples of 3. Then you have to write first 5 multiples of 10. Okay, so these are, we have 5 multiples of, so these are, we have 5 multiples of 2. Just wait a minute. Okay, so this is, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. Count how many of these multiples are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 multiples of 2. Now we will check, are these actually the multiples of 2. हम देखेंगे कि क्या वाकई ये 2 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. हाउ वी विल चेक दिस, हम देखेंगे इसके दरमियान में जो गैप है वो कितने नंबर्स का आ रहा है. 2 के बाद 4 कितना गैप है, 2 का. 4 के बाद 6 कितना गैप है, 2 का. 6 के बाद 8 कितना गैप है, 2 का. एंड आफ्टर दैट 10 after 8 is a gap of 2 between these two numbers, right? So it means that these are the multiples of 2. In other words, just to make your concepts clear, you can also say that multiples are like the tables, right? These are the tables of 2, 3, 5, and 10. Like 2 1 times 2, 2 2 times 4, 2 3 times 6, 2 4 times 8, and 2 5 times is 10. Okay, now the question is, then we have to write first 5 multiples of 3. So here we have 3, 2 times is 6, like we will add 3 into it now. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Again we will add 3 into it, now it will give 9. 9 plus 3, now it will give 12, and 12 plus 3, now it will give 15. Okay, so these are the first 5 multiples of 3. 3 1 times, and also by using the tables you can say 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6, 3 3 times 9, 3 4 times 12, 3 5 times is 15. Okay, now we have to tell the first 5 multiples of 5. So there you go, 5. Now giving a gap of 5, we have 10. Also giving a gap of 5, we have 15. Again giving a gap of 5, we have 20. And now giving a gap of 5, we have 25. Okay, recalling the tables, we have 5 1 times 5, 2 times 10, 3 times 15, 4 times 20, and 5 times is 25. Clear? Then we have to write first 5 multiples of 10, and similar way we will write 10 1 times 10, 2 times 20, 3 times 30, 4 times 40, and 5 times is 50. Right? So I hope the concept is clear to you. While writing the multiples, you just have to make sure, if you are writing the multiple of 2, so you will write the number with the gap of 2 between them, right? Yeah, 2 4 6 8. If you're writing 3, then you will give a gap of 3. If you're writing 5, give a gap of 5. If you're writing 10, then give a gap of 10 between each number. Now I'm going to see your reaction whether the point is clear to you or not. Show me your thumbs up so I can see whether it's clear to you or not. Show me your thumbs up reaction so that I get to know whether you have multiples of 3. Okay, if you have got the idea of question number 1, you can simply identify which of these are the multiples of 3 among these numbers and which of them are not the multiples of 3. Okay, so this is 10, whether it's the multiple of 3 or not. Give me your answer in the comment box. No, 10 is not the multiple of 3. ठीक है, जब आप ऊपर देखें आपके पास you have the example starting from 3, then you have 6, then you have 9, and after 9 you have 12. There is no 10 in between, right? So it means 10 is not the multiple. Is 15 the multiple of 3? Yes, you can see here 15 is the multiple of 3. Then we have 20, whether the 20 is the multiple of 3 or not. Start counting. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and after that we have 21, not 20. So it means 20 is also not the multiple of 3. Then we have 25. Okay, continuing the same way, 21. Then after we have 24, and then we have 27. Right, read the table of 3 in your minds, right? So after 24 you have 27. There is no 25 in between, so 25 is also not the multiple of 3. Okay, then we have okay, then we have 30. Is 30 the multiple of 3? Yes, 30 is the multiple of 3 because 10 times is 30. So yes, 30 is a multiple of 3. Okay, then we have 35. Okay, after 30 we have the gap of 3 and 33, and after 33 we have 36, not 35 in between, right? So 35 is also not the multiple of 3. Okay, and lastly we have 40. Is 40 the multiple of 3? No, 40 is not the multiple of 3, right? You can get to know by simply giving a gap of 3 3 3. So you will get to know that there is no 40 in 3 table, or 40 is not the multiple of 3. Okay, so I am waiting for okay. So show me your thumbs up reaction if you have understood the concept of this question. Well done. 8 copies. Okay. So which of these are multiples of 5? Okay, now we will do this question also in a similar way. ठीक है, which of these are multiples of 5? So is 10 a multiple of 5? Yes, 10 is a multiple of 5 because you can see here after 5 you have 10, which is a multiple of 5. Okay, now we have 12. Is 12 a multiple of 5? No. When you give a gap of 5 between the numbers, you don't get 12. After 5 you get 10, and after 10 you get 15. There is no 12 in between these numbers, right? So 12 is not the multiple of 5. Then we have 14. Okay, so 14 is also not the multiple of 5. Then we have 16, 18, 20. Not 16 is the multiple of 5. Also 18 is not the multiple of 5. Is 20 a multiple of 5? Yes, 20 is a multiple of 5. You can see here 5 4 times is 20. And whether 22 is a multiple of 5? No, because after 20 we get 25, right? So there is no 22 like multiple of 5. Okay. Another easy way is like you just check कि जो numbers आपके पास लिखे हुए हैं whether they comes on that particular table or not. ठीक है, 10 आपके पास 5 के टेबल में आता है, just simply circle it. 20 आपके पास 5 के टेबल में आता है, just simply circle it. ठीक है, this can be more easier for you. Okay, moving towards our next slide. Copy and complete these sentences. The multiple of 10 have always dash ones. बच्चे you can see the movement of my cursor. ठीक है, we take an example of this 18 number. ठीक है, this is the position for, wait, this is the position for ones and this is the position for tens. As we already know, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, etc. So starting from the right hand side, this is the position for ones and this is the position for tens. ठीक है, अब आपने देखना है जो 10 के मल्टीपल्स हैं उनकी जो ये वंस वाली पोजीशन है, ये वाली, ये वंस की पोजीशन है, यहाँ पर हमेशा क्या डिजिट होता है हम यहाँ से देखते हैं. दिस इज द पोजीशन फॉर वंस. ठीक है, वंस या यूनिट्स इसकी पोजीशन है. तो ये 10 के मल्टीपल्स हैं, तो क्या है यहाँ पर 0 0 0 0 एंड 0. सो इट मीन्स जो 10 के मल्टीपल्स होंगे उनकी जो वंस की प्लेस है वहां पर हमेशा 0 आएगा. ठीक है, so this was the blank. I have already filled it for you. The multiple of 10 always have 0 ones. Okay, then we have the multiple of 2 are dash numbers. Again we will take the example of this slide. जो 2 के मल्टीपल्स हैं वो कौन से नंबर होते हैं? दे आर कॉल्ड इवन नंबर्स. ठीक है, इवन नंबर्स ऐसे नंबर्स होते हैं जो 2 के टेबल पे आते हैं. ठीक है, जो 2 के टेबल में आते हैं या और यू कैन से दैट जो 2 से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं. तो आप देखो दिस इज 2 4 6 8 10. ठीक है, 2 2 times 4, 2 3 times 6, 2 4 times 8, 2 5 times 10. It means all these numbers can be easily divisible by 2. ठीक है, तो ऐसे तमाम नंबर्स को हम कहते हैं इवन नंबर्स. सो द मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 आर इवन नंबर्स. ओके, then we have the multiple of 5 have always dash or dash ones. जिस तरह अभी मैंने आपको बताया this is the position for ones. ठीक है, अगर आपके पास जैसे 18 लिखा हुआ है this is ones and this is 10. so 1 की पोजीशन पर क्या होगा जब नंबर 5 के मल्टीपल्स होंगे. टेकिंग द एग्जांपल, ये हमारे पास क्या है 5 के मल्टीपल्स. इसकी 1 की पोजीशन पे क्या है 0 5 0 5. ठीक है, so it means either you will get 0 or you will get 5. If the number is a multiple of 5, then you have only two options, whether its one place would be of 0 or the other option is it would be a 5 at the end. Okay, so now show me your thumbs up reaction if you have get the idea of these questions or you want me to again repeat it for you. Okay, okay, show me your thumbs up reaction बच्चे. Not be in the box. ठीक है, now this is your homework, you have to do it by yourself. ठीक है, which of these multiples should not be in the box? You have to circle only the multiples of 2. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ multiples of 2 चाहिए. ठीक है, तो जो multiples of 2 नहीं है, you will simply cross that number. Okay, and for this multiples of 5, also you will do the same for this question. जो multiples of 5 इसमें नहीं है, like 18 or 16, and you know it better now. Okay, so you will simply cross that number. Okay, this is not the multiple of 5. Okay, so now we have write the number sentences and work out the total for each of these problems. Okay, each bag holds 10 sweets. How many sweets in 7 bags? ठीक है, the question is कि एक बैग जो है, one bag, it holds 10 sweets. Okay, अगर हमारे पास 7 bags होंगे तो उसमें कितनी sweets होंगी? So simply, is this a question of multiplication or division or whatever? Just tell me in the comment section. Yes, one bag holds 10 sweets. तो फिर 7 जब hold करेंगी, so it is a question of multiplication, right? One bag में 10 sweets हैं. जब 7 bags होंगे तो हम 10 को 7 से multiply कर देंगे, and 10 7 times is 70. So we have 70 sweets. Then we have 6 children have new shoes. How many new shoes is that? One shoe pair is equals to 2 shoes, right? एक शू पेयर का मतलब है कि उसमें हमारे पास 2 शूज होंगे. जब हमारे पास 6 शू पेयर्स आ जाएंगे तो हमारे पास 6 into 2 times 12 शूज हो जाएंगे. I hope my point is clear to you. Okay? अगर 6 चिल्ड्रन के पास न्यू शूज हैं तो हर एक बच्चे के पास 2 शूज होंगे. तो 6 जब 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, देन वी विल गेट 12 आंसर. ओके, द लास्ट स्लाइड फॉर दिस लेक्चर. द ट्री इज 5 times. The tree is 5 times taller than the fence. The fence is 2 meters tall. How tall is the tree? Let me explain it for you. जो ट्री है वो 5 टाइम्स लंबा है एक फेंस से. ठीक है, फेंसिंग आपको पता है ना, जो ग्राउंड्स होती है उसके हम लोग कॉर्नर पे एक बाउंड्री लाइन लगा देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ फेंस. तो जो ट्री है वो फेंस से 5 टाइम्स लंबा है. उसने हमें ये नहीं बताया कि ट्री की लेंथ कितनी है, उसने हमें कहा है कि फेंस की लेंथ जो है वो 2 मीटर्स है. अब आप खुद ही बता दें कि ट्री की लेंथ कितनी होगी. ठीक है, आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन, द क्वेश्चन इज कि जो ट्री है उसकी लेंथ हमें नहीं पता, जो फेंस है उसकी लेंथ इज 2 meters. नाउ वी आर asked टू टेल द लेंथ ऑफ द ट्री, दैट हाउ टॉल विल बी द ट्री. हम लेट कर लेते हैं कि जो ट्री है, इट इज गिवन, इन फैक्ट इट इज गिवन दैट ट्री जो है दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 5 टाइम्स ऑफ फेंस. लिखा है ना कि 5 टाइम्स टॉलर है, तो इट मीन्स जब 5 टाइम्स फेंस होगी तब एक ट्री बनेगा. ओके, फेंस उसने हमें कह दिया है कि 2 मीटर्स है, तो ट्री कितने का होगा? 5 को जब हम फेंस 2 है ना 2 मीटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, वी विल गेट 10 meters. ओके, आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन, ट्री हमारे पास उसने बता दिया कि 5 टाइम्स है फेंस का. जब 5 टाइम्स फेंस को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब जाकर ट्री बनेगा. और fence is equals to 2 meters, then what would be the how tall will be the tree? So 5 multiplied by 2 meters, 10 meters tall. Okay, last question is, each car can carry 5 people. How many people could travel in 7 cars? अगर each car means one car, if one car is carrying 5 people, so 7 cars will carry 5 into 7. 5 multiplication with 7, 35. So 7 cars will carry 35 people. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. And let me tell you first how you are going to write all this work in your copies. So this is your very first page. This is just for your understanding that what is assorted and what is multiples. You have to start writing from this page. ठीक है, सबसे पहले ये जो क्वेश्चन आपको गिवन है ये आपने एज इट इज आपने ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अपनी कॉपी में लिख लेना है। सेकंड भी आपने एज इट इज लिखना है, और जो इसमें मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 हैं मैंने आपको समझा दिया, नाउ यू विल सर्कल इट बाय योरसेल्फ। ठीक है, जो जो से 3 के मल्टीपल्स है आपने उनको सर्कल कर देना है। इसी तरह ये क्वेश्चन आपने लिखना है, जो जो 5 के मल्टीपल्स हैं जस्ट सर्कल देम। ठीक है, उसके बाद ये आपने फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स में अपनी कॉपीज में नोट करनी है। ओके, ये क्वेश्चन भी एज इट इज अपनी कॉपीज में आपने नोट करना है। एंड विच ऑफ दीज शुड नॉट बी इन द बॉक्स, जो बॉक्स में नहीं होने चाहिए ना नंबर, यू फील लाइक दे आर नॉट द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2 एंड दे आर नॉट द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 5, जस्ट सिंपली क्रॉस दैट नंबर। ठीक है, उस नंबर को आप क्रॉस कर दें। एंड दीज 2 slides which have 4 questions आपने as it is अपनी कॉपी में in a neat and illegible handwriting you have to note all these work. So now I'm going to stop sharing my screen and you can ask any queries and questions related to today's lecture and homework you can ask, and also give your feedback through reaction button. Okay. You can move 50, 30 is the answer. Yes, yes. We have to write all on copy. Errol David is asking. Yes, Bache, I have explained you. Okay, thank you so much, teacher Muzaina. You're welcome, Bache. Okay, okay. Teacher page number, Bache, it's page number 17 and 18. I hope, I hope so. It's like multiples. I have forgot the page number. No, 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 nothing to ask. Look at your own books and then answer. Thank you, teacher Kamini, for your assistance. Teacher, what is page number? Iram Bashir is asking. Bache, wait, I'll tell you. The page number is 18 and 19. Okay, page number, Iram Bashir, I have told you. Also be with you, Laiba Gibran. No questions, I have got it. Okay. Good lesson. Shalim Sunil, thank you, teacher. You're welcome. Yes, Aman, you have to